CDs. Will you use 500 to buy that at the mall? You pay it with what? 1,000. If that same phone, if you go to a place and it is 50 CDs, will you go and pay 1,000 for that phone? So the world will buy you at the price you place on yourself. Okay? The price that you place on yourself is what the world will buy you. So as humans too, the world is buying us at the price tag we have placed on ourselves. Okay? And it is through your actions, your speech. People are there monitoring you. When opportunity comes, you are the person they will come and protocol team for Pentecost chairman and stuff. But the man saw me, the way I behave, the way I do my things. Say, when you're here, it's not about age. Now we are looking for people not about age. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, they were not 80 plus. Even if you are a small team and you are capable of doing something exceptional, extraordinary, the great men will come for you. And it will make you great. Those are the things that will make you great. To school, I'm not getting work to do, I've done this. Are you? So last 2 years we had Reverend Dr. Mrs. Charlotte Drew, the real woman in me official, is also a good mother, and she came here, not Kaneshie.